This supermarket is huge. There are so many things. What should we buy first? Let's buy healthy food. Great idea. Let's go shopping. These apples look fresh. Let's buy some apples. What color is this apple? It is bright red. I like bananas too. Let's put them in the cart. Our cart is filling up. Look at the carrots. They are fresh. Do you like carrots? Yes, I do. I like tomatoes. Let's buy some vegetables. Are vegetables healthy? Yes. They help us grow. I need milk. Here is the milk. Should we buy yogurt too? Yes, that's a good idea. I also like cheese. Let's put them in the cart. Our cart looks full. I can smell fresh bread. It smells wonderful. Should we buy bread? Yes, we need bread. I like muffins. Let's buy 1 pack. Thank you. Wow. No, my nan as well. Nori? Your stores. Yes. I'm useless still. Look at all the snacks. Let's choose healthy snacks. Can we buy popcorn? Yes, 1 bag. I also like nuts. Good choice. Our cart is almost full. Yeah, I'm thirsty. Let's buy some juice. Which juice do you like? I like orange juice. I like apple juice. Let's take both. Great idea. Hello. We are ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We had fun shopping.
Your shopping is ready.
Thank you very much. Can I carry the apples?
Yes, please be careful.
I will carry the bread.
We can help each other. Great teamwork.
We bought many healthy foods. What was your favorite fruit? My favorite is the apple. My favorite is the let's eat healthy day. Yes! Healthy food gives us energy. We also learned and always choose and always be polite. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Learning English is fun when we practice.